Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It means a lot to have you here, and I can't wait to inspire you with some fresh ideas. If you love smart, stylish home design and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We all know small bathrooms can feel like a real design challenge, but what if I told you that in 2025, you can completely transform even the tiniest bathroom into a luxurious, functional oasis? Today, I'll show you exactly how, with space maximization techniques and luxurious touches that deliver maximum impact no matter the size of your space. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. A successful small bathroom makeover is making the most of what you have. Every square inch counts, and with a little creativity, you can make your bathroom feel bigger, brighter, and better organized. When floor space is limited, look up. Tall cabinets, floating shelves above the toilet or door, and even mirrored walls can make your bathroom feel taller and more spacious. Mirrored walls in particular bounce light around and create the illusion of depth, a must-have for small spaces. Clutter is the enemy of small spaces, so storage is key. Use corner shelves to take advantage of awkward corners, under-sink organizers to keep essentials tidy and hidden, built-in niches and shower walls for soaps, bottles, and decor. Space-saving layouts are trending in 2025, and furniture that does double duty is your best friend. Foldable benches or stools you can tuck away, mirrors that open into cabinets, slim profile sinks, and wall-mounted toilets. With these techniques, you'll feel like your bathroom just doubled in size, without knocking down a single wall. Once you've maximized your space, it's time to elevate it. Your bathroom should be more than just functional. It should feel like your own personal spa. Adding decorative accents makes a big difference. Try a piece of art or framed print on the wall, a small potted plant or two to bring in some life, coordinated soap dispensers and trays for a polished look. Even in a small space, these thoughtful details make the room feel more welcoming and unique to you. In 2025, bathrooms are all about self-care. Incorporate elements that help you relax and recharge. An aromatherapy diffuser with calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus. Ultra-soft towels and a plush bath mat for a cozy feel. If you have room, even a comfortable stool or bench where you can sit and unwind. It's not just about how your bathroom looks, it's about how it makes you feel. In today's fast-paced world, having a small corner of your home dedicated to peace and rejuvenation is priceless. Treat your bathroom as a sanctuary, a place where you can shut the door, take a deep breath, and focus on yourself, even if just for a few minutes a day. By layering in these modern luxurious elements, your bathroom will feel like more than just a utility space. it'll feel like a retreat. Even the smallest bathroom has the potential to feel big on style, comfort, modern, and luxurious. Now you have all the tips to make it happen. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these ideas are you excited to try in your bathroom makeover? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who needs a little bathroom inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interior design ideas coming your way every week. Thanks again for watching, and remember, no space is too small to feel like home. See you in the next video. Bye for now.